Okay, so we're gonna start with number 1, optic chiasm, the same thing that I showed y'all before we cut the brain open. It's gonna be this piece right here. When you look at it, I'm gonna take this out and point to it with my friend. Okay, so that's gonna be right here. If you can see that, I'm pointing to this little circle around. Same thing that we talked about before, because if you look at it from here, from the bottom of the brain, remember I showed you that X, it was here. So now that it's cut in half, we're just looking at it from this way. It's still the same structure. Number 2 is going to be thalamus. That is gonna be this circle right here. Oh, so fragile. That's gonna be this circle right here. Everyone see that? Yes, okay. Number 3 is gonna be our, yes, hypothalamus. So that's just gonna be this space. It's a little bit tricky. You do have to know if there's this tag here versus a tag here. The space on the bottom of the circle is gonna be your hypothalamus. Number 4, mammillary body. That is also really small, but it protrudes out. Oh, y'all can't see. Okay. So thalamus, that circle. Hypothalamus, the space under the circle. Optic chiasm, this small little piece right here that comes off as the mammillary body. Everyone see that little piece? Then number 5, it's gonna be right here. That's our pons. So remember when we looked at it from this way, it was like the little section before the bottom. It's like a little square or rectangle. It looks like this, but on the inside from this cut, it looks like this. That's the pons. And then we've got medulla oblongata, which is just that brainstem, the end, if you were to talk in layman term, brainstem. So that's number 6. 7, we've got your arbor vitae, which is, it's gonna look like a tree. It's in the inside of your cerebellum. This is where you're gonna see your different like colored matters and stuff like that, which we'll go through later, but arbor vitae is number 7. And then number 8 is going to be your cerebellar cortex.